This is Woodstock, a 5-month-year-old canary. We just found something not very funny about him is that if he hears a recording of himself, he'll start to sing. So I thought that if I got a recording of a canary singing that's a female, it'll get us attention. Let's find out. He's excited. He wants to meet her. You want to go on a date, don't you? Aww. You in love, boy? Where'd she go? Where did she go? Did she leave you? This is a different one. I know, that bitch. She just left you hanging. Don't worry, you'll get another one. I get so excited. Don't worry, Woodstock, you'll get your lucky lady one day. Right?